Hello everyone, and welcome to my final story presentation. Let me just pull up the hologram real quick. I'm honored to be here today as a fellow alumna to talk about the journey I took in getting here today. If you see the screen timeout from time to time, it's because our systems are energy efficient. I like to begin my presentations with a little joke, so here it goes. Why didn't the IT team set up their remote office from the beach? Because it was too cloudy. It never gets old. Let me just pull up PowerPoint and we begin the presentation. Let's start with my academic pathway. I attended Valencia College from fall 2021 to summer 2022 as a transfer student from the University of the Bahamas. While in Valencia, I joined the cybersecurity club and I participated in volunteering events on campus to give back to the community. Let me just finish this application real quick. I've been working on this for some time and I'll just open it. Okay, these are a few campus services that helped me to become a successful student while at Valencia. I completed 60 credit hours at Valencia to obtain my associates. Then I transferred to UCF to complete my bachelor's for an additional 60 credits. And finally, 30 credits helped me to obtain my master's for a total of 150 credit hours. Now for the cost of attendance. My cost of attendance was estimated to be $146,000 with $97,500 for tuition, and the remainder for expenses bringing it up to that figure. I received roughly a third of the total cost in scholarships, and my lovely parents helped me to pay for the rest. I graduated in 2025 from UCF with my master's in computer engineering. Now on to my purpose. Some of my values include inclusion, justice, and balance. Some of my interests are learning new things, helping others, and developing systems. In college, my top 5 Clifton strengths were learner, achiever, analytical input, and individualization. Hashtag goals. In college, some of my goals were to improve my diet and exercise, to graduate with a 3.75 cumulative, and to start my own cybersecurity consultancy. I achieved all but one because I'm currently pursuing my professional engineering license. So once that's complete, I'll pursue my final goal. You guys should probably remember this GIF from earlier in the presentation. Let me just open it in Notepad to see if there's anything suspicious. Okay, let me scroll all the way to the bottom. Aha, so we see some binary. Let's just copy that and paste it into CyberChef, a famous tool in cybersecurity. Let's see if we can convert it from binary to something that we understand. Still not quite understandable. Let's try Caesar now. Okay, rot 13. Let's try to brute force it. And that should give us something we can understand. Ah, there we go. My purpose. So, my purpose is to enhance my skills to develop systems and communities that will encourage more innovation and balance in the world using my learner, achiever, and individualization skills. I created this purpose statement while in college, and it still holds true for me today. My purpose is being fulfilled by helping to keep information of others secure. I defend against injustices in the cyber world through the creation of innovative systems. Let's log back in. My career pathway. I currently work at Glowtech, and I am a senior network security engineer. My job is to protect the network and computer systems of organizations from breaches, cyber attacks, unauthorized entries, and all this using a variety of specialized tools. I break into their network with permission to test for vulnerability in their security. In the end, I offer suggestions for improvements to the system. Oops, I thought I took that out. Now on to my skills. Some of my skills include programming, problem solving, and ethical hacking. A lot of patience, determination, critical thinking, research, and effective communication is used regularly for this job. If you're considering it, which I hope you are, keep these characteristics and skills in mind. Okay, let's try to change this website from earlier using something called URL manipulation. Okay, and then this will allow you to see some of my certifications. Now on to my internships. Funny story, I actually met my first boss at a volunteer event for Valencia. I worked at Amazon as a junior pen tester in the summer of 2023 and I learned invaluable skills. I then completed a study abroad in Tokyo in spring of 2024. And in summer 2025, I got my first full-time job at Amazon as a junior network security engineer. After 2 years, I joined a startup, and after 2 more years, I joined Glowtech, and I'm still there today as a senior network security engineer. This picture actually depicts both my environment and my mental space before and after a long time of being in the field. I love to make this comparison. As I close today, I just want to leave you with a little bit of hope. I'm a black woman from the Bahamas. If I can do it, you can do it too. You just have to believe in yourself. Thank you for having me today, and I wish you the best of luck on your journeys. And don't forget to log out.